Hello. Hello. This is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is December 9th, 2023, and this is my weekly market review. I'm reviewing the NASDAQ 100, that's QQQ, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only. As we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading, so please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other, and make sure trading is something that is actually suited for you. Let's just jump right on in here to the quarterly chart and see what we see. And let me resize that. And what we see is a big green candle. The Qs are doing, the NASDAQ is doing just what I expected to do this last quarter of the year. Like I had said earlier, probably a few months back, I expected to break it by the end of the year, this all-time high. We are going there. And just got to kind of like wait and see if we can do it. But we're at a top. When we're trading at a top, we can see that. We can see that we have supply over here. That's one thing that you get from these big pictures and all. You know you need to have your stop in place. You know you need to be careful when you're up here trading in these areas here, because you can end up with another leg down. So that's what you see from here from this big picture. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at the monthly chart. On the monthly chart, what we have here is a 10 moving average or a 9 moving average. And this is a moving average that when we're above the 10, we're bullish. When we're below the 10, we're bearish. It came right down. We had got kind of extended. I was saying we was extended off the 10, so I was looking for that pullback at some time because the NASDAQ was just running too hot and got too far off this 10 at the time. We did get a bearish looking pattern here near the top. We actually got a bearish, not the perfect looking evening star near the top, and confirmation kissing on the 10 and bouncing off the 10. This was one of the perfects, one of the really nice setups, for the Qs to play it back to the long side, which I did. But that's what we see there, and we're seeing continuation. And now can we get that continuation and actually break this top? That's what we can see here on this monthly picture a lot clearer than we can on the slower time frames, like on the weekly chart, like we're getting ready to take a look at right now. On the weekly chart, we can start seeing a little bit of noise, and we can see that we actually we can see this supply high. It's over here high. This market sold off. Right now, what we're looking at is how this market is actually really struggling now at this top. We actually came off that bottom when we came off that 10 pretty strong, 3 strong weeks. Now we're beginning slowing down. We had to get across this top. We have across that top right there now, and now we're fighting that supply back there to the left that we was looking at on the higher time frame. As you can see, we ended up forming a doji. Now we got a big green candle right here. The thing is, can we break this 2 weeks ago high to see that we're going higher? What we don't want to see is us breaking this week's low and end up going lower. So this is what you have to be watching here. But let's go ahead and look at the daily chart and wrap this on up. On the daily chart, this is that low that I'm saying we don't want to break. And this is a gap, and again, because there's a gap below here where this market had gapped up a few weeks back, back in November. So again, we don't want to see this market coming down here and trying to fill this gap before it goes higher and make our all-time highs. So this is what you got to pay attention to, on this daily time frame. And that's about all I really want to share at this time. This is Solomon, Right Side Trader. Hope this is being helpful, and I'll talk to you guys next week. Have a great one. Have a good one. Talk to you later. Bye.